Good afternoon class. Today we'll do last exercise of this chapter 12, simple linear equations, that is exercise 12D. Now here there are 20 questions and you have to first form the equation yourself and then you have to solve that equation. Okay, like I'm doing the first one for you. 1/5 of a number is 5. Find the number. So let the number be x. And he is saying 1/5 of a number. So 1/5 of a number is equal to 5. Find the number. So you have taken the number as x is equal to 5. So x by 5 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 into 5, 25. The number is 5. Okay, the number is 5. Now let's move on. Let's see, second question is same like this. Now let us take third one. If 15 is added to a number, the result is 69. Find the number. So again, let the number be x. And he is saying if 15 is added to a number, means 15 is added to a number, the result is 69. Now you can solve it. You will take this 15 that side and 9 minus 5 4, 6 minus 1 5. Okay, so the number is 54. Okay class. Now let's do fifth one. Now I'll be just making the equations and you have to solve it yourself. The difference between a number and 1/4 of itself is 24. Find the number. So let the number be x and he's saying the difference between a number and 1/4 of itself. And 1/4 of itself means 1/4 of itself is 24. Now you have to solve this yourself. First take the LCM. Got it? Now next question number 7. A number is much greater than 35 is less than 53. So let the number be x. This is our question number 7. A number is as much greater than 35 as is less than 53. So x minus 35 is equal to 53 minus x. It is greater than 35 as much it is less than 53. So now this x will come this side and this 35 will go that side. So 2x is equal to 88. X is equal to 88 upon 2, that is 44. So the number is 44. Okay class. Now let's do question number 10. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 54. Now what are your even numbers class? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. So can you notice this? 2, 4, 6, 8 means one is x. Then next one is x plus 2. Then next one is x plus 2 plus 2, that is x plus 4. Then next time x plus 6. So 3 consecutive. Consecutive means continuously. So the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. So let the numbers be x, x plus 2 and x plus 4 and their sum means plus is 54. Find the numbers. You can do it yourself. Now question number 13. A man is 4 times as old as his son. 4 times as old. A man is 4 times of his son's age. Then he is telling us after 20 years he will be twice as old as his son at that time, find their present ages. For example, let their present ages be x. For example, son is x years old. So man is 4x. And after 20 years, what will happen? After 20 years, their age will increase. So son will be what? Son will be x plus 20. And father will be, and man will be, he is telling us that he will be twice as old as his son at that time. Whatever the son will be at the time, he will be twice of that. So son will be x plus 20, so he will be twice of that. Okay. And one more thing, class. Man will be twice of his son, and if we see separately, then man is right now 4x years old. So later on he will be 4x plus 20. So this age is equal to this one, because it's man's age only. Okay, now you can solve this equation, you'll get the answer. Now like this, you have to complete this whole exercise. Please try to solve it yourself and ask your problems. Okay class, complete this exercise in this Sunday, and Monday I'll take your problems. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.